how to cancel subscriptions on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can cancel subscriptions on iPhone. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. In order to cancel subscriptions on iPhone, what you can do is you can simply head into your settings on your iPhone. Once you open up settings, the next step is to simply tap on your profile at the very top. Once you tap on your profile, you shall be able to see the fourth option that says subscriptions. Simply tap on subscriptions here, and once you tap on subscriptions, you'll be able to see every subscriptions that you have. Now in my case, I don't have any, but in order to delete this subscription, simply tap on the particular subscription that you would like to delete. Then you can simply go ahead and tap on delete, and this way you can delete subscription. So this is how you can easily delete subscriptions or cancel subscriptions on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.